Make yummy poha with just a scan in Wi-Fi-enabled LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select poha from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. In a MWS glass bowl, add oil, rye, jeera and curry leaves. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, add onion, green chilies, hing, haldi and mix well. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, take out the bowl. Add washed poha, salt, red chili powder, garam masala and sugar and mix well. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. Your yummy poha made with LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven is ready to be enjoyed. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to Cook microwave oven.